they go. Little family there on the jet ski. So boat ramp's still the same. You got the one floaty thing there, the one floating dock. So yeah, they're taking their sweet time. Or just wait till Memorial Day. Not that we don't go out anyways, but I'm just saying that'd probably be a good time to come down and record, right? Just everyone yelling at each other. Because people they're not gonna be happy because getting in and out. I don't know. We'll see. People probably be in the water and stuff. Shell key. Cool. So we're gonna go ahead and get this set up. And then we'll get those mimosas going. Well, it feels good. Well, it feels good. All right, so we'll do some shelling. I'm gonna go ahead and do some work here. And then, I'm gonna do some work here, get the mimosas going. And then give that a change. Mimosa hour right now.
So are we.
Yeah.
So, did you found any shells or anything today? A couple shells.
We got two up there. How's it going?
Good. How you doing?
Jason.
Yeah, Austin.
Austin, nice to meet you.
Marsha, it's nice to meet you.
What's your name?
Hi,
Marsha.
Marsha. It's nice to meet you guys.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching. Yes, it sounds
I discovered your channel before you got to 1,000 subscribers.
Okay.
Yeah,
Awesome.
I've got a boat too. We just decided to do kayaks today. Anyway, we'll leave y'all alone.
Yeah,
Enjoy.
thank you so much.
Cool to see you guys. Darn it.
Thank you.
It's Kim and Jason.
Yeah.
So cute. So
Awesome.
I love it.
We
Thank you
appreciate
Nice to meet you guys.
You
Nice to
too.
meet you too.
Thank you for the bracelet.
Oh, you're welcome. I wish I had more. I was like, Marsha, give me that, and I promise I'll give you another one.
We met Sandy Bottom Kayaks. They're kayak rental.
She's down there in Ruskin. She's down there in Ruskin. They're Tierra Verde. She's got three kayaks for rent. Doing the eco tour. So check out Sandy Bottom.
Sandy Bottom Kayak.
Sandy Bottom Kayaks.
Adorable name. I love it.
I love it. Sandy Bottom Kayaks. Check them out.
Yep.
And of course, you gotta get Naughty Dogs. You're getting that Naughty Dogs.
We're gonna have some tasty, juicy
Boat burgers?
boat burgers.
We're gonna be doing the
That's
boat
what we're
burgers
having.
today. So we've got our Magma grill. Y'all check this out. Got the carrying bag for this. This thing is great, especially because we've tried some different solutions, and this has been the best for us. We had another kettle guy that we'd mount like right here, and it just didn't work. Remember it fell off in the water one time?
Oh yeah, didn't you lose our burgers?
It
or
fell off.
something?
Yep. So
One time, I was like so disappointed.
Yeah.
You cannot get me excited about a burger and then be like, yeah, just kidding.
Just kidding.
We're not having burgers.
We're not having burgers. So we've got this Magma grill. We've got the Pedestal Mount. We're gonna mount this boy here in a little bit, and we're gonna get that going. And we're gonna be just grilling it up. This thing is a game changer. Now, what's really cool about this is the fact that we'd used this before. I used it in the garage. Was it during the hurricane? It was like during the hurricane. It was like during the hurricane, and we hooked this up, and because it's got little feet that come out.
Little feet. Yeah, you can use it as a regular.
And this might be a cool thing here. Hold that for me.
Yeah.
It's the fact that we're still on the same can. The little gas cans. You can get these boys at Walmart, 2 for $99. So this is like the same one. I got my backup guy. So I'm hoping that we're gonna run out we're gonna run out today, so we'll see. But we got this. We got the pedestal mount and all that stuff. So see ya, good old naughty dogs. All right, so we're gonna get that in a bit. We are live here, Shell Key. This is not sponsored by Magma or anything like that. We spent our own hard-earned money to make all this stuff happen. We just love this grill. Go. Yeah, perfect.
It's looking a little salty.
Well, I got that cleaning stuff, which I'm going to use. I purchased it, but I have not used it yet. So we're going to use that. And then I got this here. Man, I'm hungry. Everybody relax. I cleaned this guy up nice and cool. Coming in hot. And then I think it just kind of goes in like this, like that. I smell it. I think I'm lit. Yeah, I'm lit. Cool. We got the burgers. We're gonna slap them on there. It's gonna be good. Am I in frame? You just like
I don't know.
What are you? No, you can't put that there. Oh my god. This is amateur hour here.
Just keep going.
All right, we're gonna keep. That's what she said. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and get this heated up, and then we're gonna slap those burgers on there. It's gonna be a good time. So that's enough yapping. I'm hungry.
Now.
All right, so we put it at the Fort DeSoto boat ramp. If you're in the area, there's still only one floating dock that's available. So it can be a little tricky. Hopefully they'll get that stuff done before Memorial Day weekend. If not, it's just gonna be a circus over there. I recommend not going out on Memorial Day weekend anyways, but it's gonna be a circus over there. So we just puttered over here to Shell Key, over at our Kim and Jason and Florida Beach spot. We got to talk with some subscribers, which was kind of cool. So if y'all see us up here, y'all see us out and come up and say hello. We enjoy talking.
Yeah, it was fun.
So we talked to them for a bit. So come say hello. We did our burgers. The burgers were really good on that Magma grill.
Delicious.
So good. And then what I gotta do is I'll clean up the grill when I get home. We'll take care of that. But those are really good. It has been a minute since we had burgers. How were the shells?
It wasn't a lot of shells today. We didn't have good inventory. It was nothing spectacular. Some little ones. Yeah. That's all right.
So so you got those. So we'll bring those back. Next time, hopefully we'll be able to go to the other side of Shell Key and see what's going on there. Yeah. But nice day, Sunday. Nice.
So pretty.
Yeah, so pretty. Just to be able to get out here. I hope you guys like this video. We're gonna head on back to the ramp. Kim's gonna try to drive the boat up onto the trailer. There's a little wind. We'll see how she do. I already know how it's gonna end up.
Whatever.
See you guys in the next one.
Can I tell you that